can do it.
You can do it. Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it, little buddy. Oh, no, little buddy.
Same spot again, huh?
Lower. You should have got tires instead of light bars. Come on, back on down for try number 3.
The charm. Oh.
Oh, don't get sideways, buddy. This is how tragedy happens. Atta boy. There you go. Look at that running start he's getting now. He's going way back. Oh, he's not going to let that hill make a bitch out of him. He's going to show that hill. Get it, buddy. Yeah, look at him go. Oh, he's trying a different hill. Come on. Oh, if you can't make it up that one either, dude, I'm going to laugh at you. There you go. He kind of did it.
Cheating.
Alright, let's say bye to the light bar kid. Later's light bar kid.
Bye.